Crispy Sweet Potato Delights Air Fryer Edition. Sweet potatoes have long been a favorite among food lovers, and for good reason. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a range of health benefits. When it comes to preparing crispy sweet potato delights, using an air fryer is the ultimate game changer. In this movie, I will guide you through the process of making the perfect batch of crispy sweet potatoes using your air fryer. Benefits of using an air fryer for sweet potatoes. Air fryers have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a healthier alternative to deep frying, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil and fewer calories. When it comes to sweet potatoes, using an air fryer not only ensures a crispy texture, but also helps to retain their natural sweetness and flavor. The hot air circulation in an air fryer cooks the sweet potatoes evenly, giving you a perfectly crispy exterior and a soft, tender interior. How to choose the right sweet potatoes for frying. Choosing the right sweet potatoes is crucial for achieving the perfect batch of crispy delights. Look for sweet potatoes that are firm, smooth-skinned, and free from blemishes or soft spots. The ideal sweet potatoes for frying are medium-sized, as they tend to cook more evenly. Additionally, opt for sweet potatoes with vibrant orange or purple flesh, as they are generally sweeter and more flavorful. Preparing sweet potatoes for the air fryer. Before you can start frying your sweet potatoes, they need to be properly prepared. Start by washing the sweet potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Next, peel the sweet potatoes using a vegetable peeler or a sharp knife. If you prefer to keep the skin on, make sure to scrub them clean and remove any blemishes. Once peeled, cut the sweet potatoes into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This will ensure that they cook evenly and result in a consistent crispiness. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Seasoning and flavoring options for crispy sweet potatoes. One of the great things about sweet potatoes is their versatility when it comes to seasoning and flavoring. You can keep it simple by tossing the sweet potato pieces in a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. This will enhance the natural flavors of the sweet potatoes without overpowering them. For an extra kick, try adding some smoked paprika or chili powder to the seasoning mix. If you're in the mood for something sweet, a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg can work wonders. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different herbs, spices, and seasonings to find your perfect flavor combination. Cooking techniques for achieving the perfect crispiness. Now that your sweet potatoes are seasoned and ready to go, it's time to cook them in the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to around 400 degrees, 200 degrees C, to ensure that the sweet potatoes cook evenly and develop a crispy exterior. Depending on the size and thickness of your sweet potato pieces, the cooking time may vary. As a general guideline, cook the sweet potatoes for 15-20 minutes, flipping them halfway through to ensure even browning. Keep an eye on them towards the end to prevent any burning. Once they are golden brown and crispy, they are ready to be enjoyed. Tips for avoiding common pitfalls when using an air fryer. While air fryers are relatively easy to use, there are a few common pitfalls to watch out for. Firstly, avoid overcrowding the air fryer basket. Leaving enough space between the sweet potato pieces ensures that they cook evenly and achieve that desired crispiness. Secondly, make sure to shake or flip the sweet potatoes halfway through the cooking process. This will prevent them from sticking together and promote even browning. Lastly, resist the temptation to open the air fryer too often during cooking. Opening the fryer can cause the temperature to drop, resulting in longer cooking times and potentially less crispy sweet potatoes. Serving suggestions and creative sweet potato dish ideas. Now that you have mastered the art of making crispy sweet potato delights in your air fryer, it's time to explore different serving suggestions and creative dish ideas. Crispy sweet potatoes make a fantastic side dish to accompany a variety of meals. Serve them alongside grilled chicken or fish for a healthy and satisfying dinner. Alternatively, top them with avocado, black beans, and salsa for a delicious vegetarian taco filling. You can also get creative and use crispy sweet potatoes as a base for a loaded nacho-style dish, topped with melted cheese, guacamole, and sour cream. The possibilities are endless. Cleaning and maintaining your air fryer for long-lasting use. To ensure that your air fryer continues to deliver perfectly crispy sweet potato delights, it is important to keep it clean and well maintained. After each use, allow the air fryer to cool down completely before cleaning. Remove the basket and tray and wash them with warm, soapy water. Use a soft sponge or brush to remove any stuck-on food particles. Make sure to dry all the components thoroughly before reassembling the air fryer. Additionally, check the manufacturer's instructions for any specific maintenance recommendations, such as cleaning the heating element or replacing filters. By taking care of your air fryer, you can enjoy crispy sweet potato delights for years to come. Conclusion and final thoughts on crispy sweet potato delights. In conclusion, making the perfect batch of crispy sweet potatoes in your air fryer is a game changer. By choosing the right sweet potatoes, properly preparing them, and using the right seasoning and cooking techniques, you can achieve a delightful balance of crispy exterior and tender interior. The versatility of sweet potatoes allows you to experiment with different flavors and create unique and delicious dishes. Remember to take care of your air fryer by keeping it clean and well maintained, and you will be able to enjoy crispy sweet potato delights for many meals to come. So grab your air fryer and get ready to indulge in this irresistible treat. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.